Hello, are you struggling to get a job just because your resume is not so good? Are you struggling to get a job because you are a fresher? Or are you struggling to basically change your career? Today, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel where we will be learning how to write a good and effective resume. So, let's get on to it. So let's say that you don't have any experience. That's where you write this prompt. Can you write 10 sample achievements of my school and college experience, focusing on my time leading to work in groups, presenting to classes, reading academic papers, conducting surveys, volunteering, mentoring first year students, using different design software tools, technologies such as you included, and any other relevant extracurricular activities that you think would be appropriate. Please add necessary metrics to whichever point might need. So this is how ChatGPT basically writes what you could give to a company depending on what your college uh, things are. So let's say team leadership in college hackathon. You give the name of the college, give the name of class presentation excellence, school name, research paper. So where you have done certain things and there is your metrics. This is just a rough thing. You can copy paste it. It is giving you a guideline onto what you can include, what you can't include. So you take this and use these particular metrics to basically write your whole resume. It also gives you certain this technological integration in group projects of Python and MATLAB that you can see over here. So if you learn certain softwares, include them. This is how you can actually get a very good job in any company. If you refresh this will take each point, and instead of giving full paragraphs, now this is giving you pointers. Okay, so you choose whatever that is most relevant to you, whatever that is most comfortable to you, and you can take this ahead from here. Okay, now, and this is what you need to paste in what you could do for the company. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's see something else. Okay, let's say you are in an X career. Okay, and you want to move yourself from a new Y career. So this is your career change resume. Okay, I want you to save and memorize the role and responsibilities of business development manager stated below. Just memorize them and do not respond. This is what you have to do. Copy paste these roles and responsibilities from your desired company that you want to work for and paste them here. Okay, once you have pasted them here, ChatGPT will reply, I have saved the information about the role and responsibilities, and now what do you want me to do? So you say that previously I was working as a print designer in an advertising or events industry. Your list of duties that I accomplished. So basically now you want to move from a print designer to a business development manager. Okay, so you after you list them, this particular thing, let's say, prepare presentations is another additional point I want to add to this. Okay, and that's what I even used to do as a print designer. And can you convert this into 8 bullet points for my resume which would be relevant to business development managers? Okay, and make sure you tailor them specifically a business development managers post. So that thing that we pasted before over here is for the business development manager post, and this is what it will do. Okay, so just like how it took your college experience and portrayed it as what you could do, okay, for XYZ company, now it is taking design things and it is going to work for me. So adaptability and feedback, brand alignment, this is all very important for a business development manager. Okay, the quality assurance, and now these, if you refresh it, it will give it to you in 8 different bullet points without headings. So you can choose what you want. Again, I've showed you two options. So it demonstrates strategic thinking, creative problem solving, Okay, conceptualizing, visually adopting, adaptability and responsiveness. Okay, pursue presentation of client pitches, and ensuring consistency in the brand, visual appeal. Okay, eye for detail, meticulous analysis. So there are so many points, you could just take this and you could just copy paste it blindly, and I'm sure it will work for a business development manager's post. Now let's say that you have a dream company. Now let's start preparing a custom job. So this is what I wrote. I want to apply for senior graphic designer job for LBS brand, which is one of Dubai's number one company, and for product advertising and branding. I have 20 years of relevant experience in print design. Okay, please prepare a resume. So it gives me a whole resume. Amazing, isn't it? So my whole framework is ready. Okay, my CV template is ready. But if you see, there are a lot of fill in the blanks, but it has filled certain things like this. Like for example, dedicated and accomplished senior designer with 20 plus experience in print design, AI assisted outputs, seeking an opportunity in LBS brand. So this is purely for that company to leverage creativity, strategic thinking, and technical expertise, and contributing to a company's renowned success in product branding. Okay, so now this is my professional experience. Now I have to put in all this. Okay, so and even my education, I have to put in all this. Then skills, it is already done. Okay, partly it's done, I have to add more skills. So I copy paste my experience. This is my education. Okay, so for my file I have taken this, and this is how it's working. My diploma. Okay, this is my work experience. So we could just put all these as bullet points, so chat gpt knows these are different things. Okay, and that's about it, and these are the skills. So I've just elaborated a little more on the skills, and this is what it is. Okay, so it's going to give me all my skills, and great, isn't it? But let's see what's missing now. Don't, again, very 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 important friends, do not add your personal details. Okay, it doesn't work for you. It will not. Now we have to add location in each of them, and we have to now give description of each and every one. Now why am I breaking this up? You could have put everything together also, but ChatGPT doesn't understand that. Okay, so let's say I say thank you now for personalized CV, and this is what my descriptions are. Please add them. So manager, I've added Mumbai everywhere, wherever it is there. The reason being, it asks me for location everywhere. I have not added location. So location is again important, especially if you are looking at an international job. Okay, that where you have worked in different places, and again is brilliantly done. Okay, but now if you see what it has done, it has just added my work experience, the objective, and my start introduction about myself, and email ID and LinkedIn and etc. Okay, so now it's yet incomplete. So now how do we complete it? We just say that can you also add my education, comma, work experience, comma, and skills to the CV template that you generated before. Okay, and it is going to do exactly that. Great, isn't it? So it's again tweaked. If you can see, it's tweaked my experience. Okay, so do not go blindly on what chat gpt gives you and copy paste it. It might backfire on you. Please rewrite this and change it. If you realize 90% of your work is done by chat gpt, it's given you everything. Okay, and over here is even searched from what I'm putting in, is given me things about me being an event manager also, and what I could do. And that's how it is. Now add your certifications and professional memberships, and you should be done. So my friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.